Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install the RubyMine on Ubuntu. For that, first go to the web browser. I am using Firefox. You can use any web browser. Click on it. Now on Google type RubyMine. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. jetbeans.com. And now you can see it is available for free for only 30 days. After that you need to pay for it. No problem, we will just download the same version. Click on it to download. Now the version is visible. For Linux we want for Ubuntu, so I'll just click on download. The download should start now. It started. It's only 594 MB. Let's wait. Guys, we have successfully installed RubyMine. Right click and click show in folder. Now the downloads folder is visible wherein it got downloaded. Now right click and extract here. The extraction started. The extraction is complete. You can now delete the file. You can now delete this file. It's not required. Now open it. Go to bin. Right click and open in terminal. Now after reaching bin, we need to open the sh file rubymine.sh. So press dot slash rubymine.sh and press enter. This will start the installation. Now RubyMine will start. You can minimize everything else. Here you can see before starting, we need to create a JetBrains account because it's only for 30 days. The trial is for 30 days. After that, we need to log into the JetBrains account. We successfully installed it. Thank you for watching the video.